A new spin on electric Tesla's revolutionary motor. The automotive world is buzzing with excitement. Tesla, the renowned electric vehicle manufacturer, has done it again. They've unveiled a game-changing electric motor poised to revolutionize the EV landscape. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a monumental leap forward, promising unparalleled performance, efficiency, and sustainability. For years, Tesla has been at the forefront of EV innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With this new motor, they've solidified their position as industry leaders, setting new benchmarks for others to follow. The secret sauce? A cutting-edge carbon-wrapped rotor, a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. This revolutionary motor isn't just about breaking speed records or achieving mind-blowing acceleration, although it does that too. It represents Tesla's unwavering commitment to a sustainable future. By increasing efficiency and reducing reliance on fossil fuels, this motor brings us one step closer to a cleaner, greener planet. The excitement is palpable. Tesla is once again leading the charge towards a brighter, electrified future. Carbon fiber takes charge. A look inside the rotor. At the heart of this groundbreaking motor lies a marvel of engineering: the carbon-wrapped rotor. This isn't your grandfather's electric motor. It's a sophisticated symphony of cutting-edge materials and design. Traditional rotors, often made from heavy steel, are being left in the dust. Carbon fiber, known for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio, takes center stage. By wrapping the rotor in this lightweight yet incredibly robust material, Tesla has achieved a level of performance previously unimaginable. The implications are significant reduced rotational mass, lightning-fast response times, and a noticeable boost in overall efficiency. But the advantages don't stop there. The carbon fiber wrap also enhances the rotor's durability, making it less susceptible to wear and tear. This means fewer breakdowns, reduced maintenance, and a longer lifespan for the motor. Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of material science has resulted in a rotor that's both powerful and built to last. Power and performance unleash the benefits of innovation. Hold on to your seats because Tesla's new motor is all about exhilarating performance. Thanks to the revolutionary carbon-wrapped rotor, Tesla vehicles are about to get a serious power boost. This translates to faster acceleration, higher top speeds, and a level of responsiveness that will leave drivers grinning from ear to ear. Imagine merging onto the highway with effortless ease, leaving gas guzzlers in your rearview mirror. The new motor's instantaneous torque delivery means instant acceleration, making every drive an adrenaline-pumping experience. But it's not just about raw power. The carbon-wrapped rotor also enhances handling and agility. The reduced rotational mass allows for quicker changes in direction, making the car feel nimble and responsive. Whether navigating city streets or carving through mountain passes, Tesla's new motor delivers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Buckle up. The future of driving is here, and it's electrifying. Built to last durability and maintenance advantages. Tesla's commitment to quality goes beyond performance. They're also building vehicles that stand the test of time. The new electric motor, with its robust carbon-wrapped rotor, is a testament to that commitment. The inherent strength of carbon fiber makes the rotor incredibly resistant to wear and tear, ensuring a longer lifespan for the motor. This translates to fewer visits to the mechanic, lower maintenance costs, and a vehicle that stays on the road longer. Unlike traditional combustion engines with their intricate parts and constant need for oil changes, Tesla's electric motor is remarkably low maintenance. The simplicity of the design, coupled with the durability of the carbon-wrapped rotor, means fewer things can go wrong. This reliability is a key factor in Tesla's push for sustainable transportation, offering a compelling alternative to the often unreliable and high-maintenance nature of gasoline-powered cars. Scaling up sustainability, cost savings, and mass production. Tesla's vision extends far beyond building high-performance EVs. They're on a mission to make sustainable transportation accessible to all. The new electric motor plays a crucial role in this mission, offering both economic and environmental benefits. The use of innovative materials and design allows for cost-effective mass production, making electric vehicles more affordable for the average consumer. As production scales up, the cost of these revolutionary motors is expected to decrease, making EVs a more attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. This is a key factor in driving mass adoption and accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation. Furthermore, the motor's efficiency translates to significant cost savings for owners. With fewer moving parts and no need for oil changes or traditional engine maintenance, the overall cost of ownership is significantly lower than that of gasoline-powered vehicles. Tesla is proving that sustainability doesn't have to come at a premium. It can be both environmentally friendly and economically viable. A holistic approach integrating AI, batteries, and beyond. Tesla's new electric motor isn't just a standalone marvel, it's a key component of their holistic approach to sustainable transportation. This motor is seamlessly integrated with Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology, creating a synergy that maximizes efficiency and range. The company's advanced software and artificial intelligence, or AI, play a crucial role in optimizing the motor's performance, further enhancing efficiency and range. Tesla's AI algorithms constantly learn and adapt, analyzing driving patterns and optimizing energy usage to squeeze every last mile out of each charge. This holistic approach, combining innovative hardware with intelligent software, is what sets Tesla apart as a leader in the EV revolution. But Tesla's vision doesn't stop there. They're building a complete ecosystem, with their supercharger network providing convenient and widespread charging infrastructure. This comprehensive approach, from vehicle design to charging infrastructure, ensures a seamless and enjoyable ownership experience for Tesla drivers. Driving towards a sustainable future. Tesla's global impact. Tesla's impact extends far beyond the automotive industry. They're inspiring a global shift towards sustainable energy. The new electric motor is a testament to their commitment, demonstrating that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. As Tesla expands its global manufacturing footprint, they're bringing this technology to new markets, accelerating the adoption of EVs worldwide. Their gigafactories, strategically located around the world, are not just production facilities. They're beacons of innovation, driving down the cost of batteries and making EVs more accessible to the masses. Tesla's mission is clear: to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The new electric motor is a powerful tool in achieving that mission, paving the way for a future where transportation is both exhilarating and environmentally responsible. With each electric mile driven, Tesla is proving that the future is electric, and it's a future full of possibilities.